What kind of Jeep life, oil, gods, craziness, foobarness thing is going on here, guys? This is crazy. No oil pressure. Let's get this thing fixed. I guess we ain't going nowhere today. Alrighty, guys, so we just went and picked up this oil pressure sending unit. It is a Duralast. Part number is PS401. I'm going to show you guys. It's not really that difficult to replace. I mean, it's not going to be easy, but I'm going to show you guys exactly where it's at. Alrighty, guys, so this is what I used to remove that oil pressure sensing switch. I got a 1 1/16 inch deep socket with a 4-inch extension, plus I used another like 8-inch extension just to be comfortable. We did take it out. We did take it out with these pliers because I couldn't get the plug out. But once the plug came out, I was able to put the other one in super easy. But guys, that's all you need pretty much. Just them tools and you'll be able to take this thing out. Alright, so it is right by the alternator. Let me see if I can get this thing in there and show you guys. So that's the switch right there. Bada bing, bada boom. So here's the alternator. Here's the distributor. It is right in between there. So that's what we're about to replace, guys. Alrighty, so here's the old one right there, and that is the new one. And if you can see back in there, let me see if I can get this in there. Right back there somewhere. Right over there. There's the hole. Not that difficult to take out. Little uncomfy, but we got it out. We had to actually use one of these because I couldn't get the socket in there. Well, actually, we couldn't pull the plug out, so I had to risk breaking the wiring and twist it out completely. But we're about to put the new one in. Alrighty, the new one is in. There it is, nice and shiny. Let's see if this actually fixed it. Alrighty, so let's start this bad boy up and see if that oil pressure gauge moves. If it doesn't move, I might cry. Ah, we got oil pressure, dog. 40, yeah, about 40 psi. A little over 40 right there. Very, very good. Alrighty, guys, that is the easy fix if you have that oil pressure light or oil pressure gauge reading 0. There it is, very nice.